Hey guys, DanandSarah.com Homestead. Figured we'd try something a little different today. We got some deli sliced beef. I rolled them all up. We're going to see how those come out in the freeze dryer. Alright, time to get them loaded. Alright, never tried these before. It'll be very interesting to see how they come out. I hope they come out real good. Okay, we'll see when they're all done. Alright, these came out really nice. They are dry, ready to roll. A little fragile, I have a feeling, but they're all good. Drop one of these in a little bit of water and see what happens here. I think that one a little deformed. I think we'll give that one to Sarah, see how she likes it. There. Let's see what she thinks of it. And there you go. It's Sarah approved. Alright guys, we're going to leave a link to this freeze dryer. Go ahead and click on it if you can get one. We are sure having a lot of fun, and Sarah's enjoying it too. So until next time guys, y'all take care. Please like, subscribe, share the video. And until next time, y'all take care. Bye now.